Good morning everyone. I look such a saint, no makeup. I got my brows done yesterday, which obviously they're going to be dark because just got them tinted, but I'm so in love with the shape. Every time I get my eyebrows done I forget how much I actually need it. It helps so much with the shape. I honestly would pay someone to come do my eyebrows every time I need to do my makeup because I hate it. But yeah, they look so good. Also, my skin's thriving. Got 1, 2 on my jaw, which means it's hormonal acne, okay? My skin's doing so good. Slay the boots. I've literally just rolled out of bed, hence the hair. I haven't even brushed it. How cute is this, by the way? Little Adidas. I got it from a vintage shop I went to the other day, and then I've just got some PJ shorts on because we're doing a pack with me. I'm going to Mexico, Cancun, with my boyfriend for his birthday. That's his main present I got him, but it's also kind of for me because our birthdays are a week apart. It's his birthday today when I'm filming this. It's actually Thursday. I'm probably going to edit this when I'm on the plane, so this will be up like during my holiday or something like that, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I thought we could pack together. My room's a mess as always. I've literally been shoving my boots in there. It's really not okay. So I will tidy my room before I fully start doing the pack with me, because otherwise I won't be able to move. But here's my suitcases that I'm taking. So these are from a place called Flight Night. I got them. Is that how you say it, Flight Night? I got them on TikTok shop. Anyway, I haven't used them yet. I was going to use them when I went to Coachella. However, that didn't fit enough stuff. Like, this is the biggest size, and it's a lot smaller than my previous Primark one. You know, my pink one that I had. This doesn't fit a whole lot in either. And I'm going for 9 days. I've just made my cereal. Let me show you, actually. My bowl is actually chipped because I swear everyone in this house hates me. Got a bowl of chocolate pillows. I'm on my cereal hype again. Right now, if you're watching this, go grab a bowl of cereal. You won't regret it, because why is just a bowl of cereal just so good? It is so good. Like, I go on and off and I'm like, no, cereal. These cases move so well. It sounds so silly, but they do. We're gonna start off with the big case. How do I open this? This is the inside of the case. Decent amount of room. How are we there? Are we okay there? Just so you can be in my stuff. So we're going to start off with clothes. Right, any back angles you see of me? No, you haven't. Can you see my bum? Maybe. Right, let's start up here because this is the white section. This dress from Fashion Nova, I'm going to take. This dress, I am taking a lot, but I'm an overpacker. I want like loads of bits because last time I went on holiday, I felt like I didn't have enough. Little AliExpress number. Oh, I got so many nice dresses from Shein. Make sure you follow me on TikTok so you you would have seen all of them. Such good Shein stuff. Guys, my cereal. Oh, I hate soggy cereal. I'm not a soggy cereal eater. This is not good. A jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. I will show you the clothes when I'm getting it out, but this is just chill, like you're on FaceTime to your friend and she's packing, you know what I mean? Literally everything I'm getting out is stuff I've bought recently, which is good because, did I wear that last time? I think I did. Wow. I really think I'm packing too much. But I just need options because I always hate what I'm wearing. Although last time I went for, I think it was like 5 nights, I overpacked. Still, it was just, I was getting to dinner time and I was like, oh, I just don't like anything. This, I done a little reel on Instagram. I'm really on my Instagram game at the moment with reels, not pictures. I hate taking pictures. And I posted this PLT dress. It is fully sold out, but when it comes back into stock, oh my god, I love it. Love it so much. Oh, I've also got this little crochet set from Ego. Got this from Mars Label months ago, and I said I'd save it for my holiday. So tight though. What size did I get? 6. In Mars Label makes me question everything. I'm like, do I need to go on a diet now? Their stuff, like their swimsuits, I have to get like an 8. I sometimes debate even getting a 10, and I'm like a size 4. It's so tight, their stuff. Never get your true size. I love stuff like this as well, like just a little crochet dress to wear to lunch. Swimsuits. PLT one. This little red one. Where's this from? White Fox. Nice. This is from Zara. And then this black one again from Zara with these little things. Sets. This is the Ego one I was talking about. So it's a shirt and some shorts. My mirror's there. That's what I'm looking at. So I think like just a black bikini top. Underneath will look really lovely. This short set. I'm loving a short set as well. I think they're so good. Like if we went out to do anything. Because last time when I went to Crete, I done activities. Like we went on a tour. We went on this like walk thing. And I had to wear like basically the same thing. Or I had to wear a dress and be uncomfortable. So stuff like this is just so easy. So it's just a shirt set. Which again I can just wear a brown bikini under. Oh, I got this from Glamify. It's so heavy though. It's really nice. I do have my carry-on, which I can take stuff in as well. Right, we are in the pits of mess. This is what I hate about packing. However, do have a Shein parcel and White Fox parcel. I hope you don't mind that I am doing like bits in between the packing, but a lot of this will go in the case. So hopefully you don't mind. Plus, you guys love a haul, right? We've got some clothes. We'll do this quick fire. We won't talk for too long. I'll just look at it, see if I want to keep it, and if not, I'll just leave it until I get back. That's cool. But I'm not in love. Also, if you're wondering where my Coachella packing vlog was, I had such a nightmare. Such a nightmare. I don't even want to talk about it. What is this? Oh, I think this is like a tampon and sanitary stuff pouch. I'll take that, why not? Because I'm not going to be on my period, but you know. Oh, this is for jewellery. Oh, it's like a little first aid kit. I'm so cringe, but it's got nothing in it. It's just what I'm going to put tablets and stuff in. Got these little gingham shorts. No. Oh, these little shorts. I did size up in these. Cute. These are, again, not for holiday. I bought them just in general. Oh, that's a nice skirt. Oh, it's a skirt as well. I love you. Oh, that's really cute. I'm going to take that. It's like a two-piece. Wow. I thought. I also sized up in these. I got... What did I get? A small. They're quite big. No, I got these because I thought I'd suit them, but I just don't think they're for me. Again, I don't think I got that for holiday. I think that was just a little Shein thing. A dress. Looks a bit big. Oh, that's nice. That's similar to what I'm wearing now. Can't take that because I'm probably going to take the jumper I'm wearing now. Oh! It's nice. I'm so bad with folding. Sorry. Oh, I'm going to stand up again. Cute. Why are the boobs so big on that though? Little pink top. Is that a skirt? That's nice. I'll take that because I'll get an Instagram picture in that. Stunning. And then this top that really does not smell nice. Not sure what's going on. Pink set that I showed you from White Fox. I packed my collabs. So, Club L London dress. It's just a long maxi. Wow, that's nice quality. It's just like a long bandeau ombre dress. I'll take this dress. This is from Miss Lola. I showed you that earlier. little dress. Play suit. Oh god, I'm not gonna take that now. Opened the little suitcase and I wonder why it's so heavy, because I've got all of this stuff in it. All the like bags to put all my toiletries in, packing cubes. Shove that all there. So I've got some packing cubes that I'm gonna quickly pop some bits in here. So if I just grab you real quick. I honestly always wonder why my case gets pulled, but it's because how packed it is. So in here, I'm not really going to show you because I've just shoved it all in. I've put a bag that is quite heavy, but I've wrapped it in my dressing gown, which they'll probably pull and search because they just think that's suspicious. I'm like, it's obvious, it's fragile. Then I got my light in there and just packed a couple bits in here. I put pants in here as well, just in case my case gets lost. 2 sandals, a bag. I'm gonna pop a packing cube or wedge that somewhere there. Still all of this to get in, and all my toiletries, which is super fun, but I think I'll do it. But my cases are definitely going to be over. I'll just have to pay it at the end of the day. It's just what you got to do. But also I'll weigh my boyfriend's case and see if his will fit any of my stuff in. So I've got some of my toiletries out that I've bought recently. I've got these bags from Shein. So far I've got some eye patches in there, these little things when you wash your face, my face wash and cleanser. I am taking full size just because obviously go for 9 days. Shampoo, conditioner's there. I'm not taking my Redken. I just feel like taking this one because I wash my hair so much on holiday. And again, I'm taking full size just because I do wash my hair so often. Really stressed out about how much this case is going to weigh. It's actually going to be about 40 kg. I also can't pack my makeup or brushes until like the day before, which is a bit annoying because I like to be organised, but it's fine. Let's go in here. My drawers are such a state at the moment. Right, mitt. Gonna take this St. Moritz Glow Oil. This angle. They sent me this recently and they said that I'm gonna love it, so trust me on that. I'm going to take another tan mix. I will have to fake tan out there. I've got a face SPF from Ultraviolet. Take that. I've got a fresh Tatcha. I'll take this. Why not? Case is over anyway, so who cares? Oil-wise, I'm just going to take that one. I do have a Patrick Tar and I do love my Primark as well. Fresh one of these, St. Moritz Instagrad. I need to do a video on this. The best thing ever. My toiletry bag. Literally, look how many Primark Glow Balms I've got in here. They're that good. I've got these phone things as well, the clear phone things. I've seen this SPF that people spray over makeup, so I'll take that. Hair product wise, I just need a Got To Be. Where is my Got To Be? Got To Be, the best hairspray. Pop and lock, have to take that. A hair oil, do I have a small one anywhere? These are so good. These are from Rehab Hair. They're so good. I've got a couple left in there. tan wise, I think I'm gonna wear this tan out there. I'll bring an airbrush because obviously. Oh, I also love this one, the small rose and caramel tan remover, because obviously I'm going for 9 days. I scrub my tan off like every 6 days, so I'll have to redo it out there. 1 Hour Express by Bondi Sands. Yeah, I'll take this one. It's about half an hour later now. Let me just pause that. I was playing a YouTube video while you guys were on charge. It's just not happening. It's really not happening. I just have so much stuff. Like, if I actually listed it out to you, like, I've got all my clothes for dinner, lunchtime, if we go out, I've got my hair stuff, I've got hairspray, I need to put hairbands in, hairspray and all these bits and bobs. Honestly, being a girl is not fun. I'm glad I actually told my boyfriend to take the big case, because when he came over last night, I was like, I don't think you'll need the big case. But he was saying like, oh, let's just take it anyway. I'm definitely going to need his. She grabbed you guys to tell you about these sandals I got from Primark. They're like squishy and they're braided. I thought they'd be nice just to chuck on. I've also got them in cream. And if I can stand you somewhere, you're wonky, but this top, you know, I'm loving like a football jersey type vibe. It's from PLT, satin. They do have a matching skirt, but like, I would not wear a skirt. You guys are literally sideways. Yeah, again, for during the day, thought it'd be nice. So far, I'm putting that part in my boyfriend's case. Oh dear. Right, my bowl's still there from earlier, but that's fine. I'm doing my jewellery now in this little sheen thing. So I'm just popping some rings in here. Can't do this one-handed. No, it's not the best of little ring things. It's a bit flimsy, but it was about £2. So to be honest, you can't complain. What's this section for? A bracelet? No, that's not. Pop like little bits like this in there. Chuck all that in there. This bracelet is so cool. It's got all these like thingies on. Honestly, packing is just never a positive experience for me. Finally got this case shut. The annoying thing is with these suitcases, right, there's no zip. So if, like, normally like you can sit on a case and like you can zip it, but because this is like a, don't know, like an attach, I don't know how to explain this. Because it's like that, it's just a lot harder. So you have to proper sit on it and you have to align the sides. So yeah, it's done. It's not actually that heavy. I actually switched out because, again, it's been like an hour since I spoke to you. I switched out the shoes and sandals from that bag because I thought they're just a waste of space. Like, I can fit a load of clothes in there. So I just got a packing cube, put a load of clothes in there. I took out my pyjamas and my comfort robe just because, like, I don't really need it. They normally have robes there, and like, am I realistically going to wear pyjamas? I mean, I get cold at night. I might put a pile there, but if not, I've got a hoodie and I can just chuck my boyfriend's clothes on anyway. Oh, he's got no joggers. I'll put it in his pile. This is my case. I've kind of resorted to just throwing everything on top. So it is neat, but then I've got like rogue things like this and this. Oh, I need to put this tag on here as well. So yeah, we definitely, I would say I'm done, but I have to leave my case open just because my boyfriend's going to bring his case here and I'm going to put all of that into there. It looks like a lot, but because it's just in a bulk, and he has a whole side left, so it's just our toiletries together, some bags, hair tools, a little pile of clothes and some shoes. My bag, this is the bag I'm taking. This is from, I think I got this from Sarma maybe, so a little YSL dupe. And in here, I'll quickly show you what I've got in here. So I've got our passports in passport holders, my camera, a book, all the documents for our holiday, which I need to see if I need to print off the boarding passes, some pads and tampons, toiletries bag, my laptop, chargers down there as well, and some like electricals. And then I'm going to pop my headphones in here tomorrow, once or later when they're charged. So yeah, that's my stuff done. So got this, got me bag, got my hat and my airport outfit ready. Yeah, that is me done. So I hope you enjoyed this packing video. I feel like it was cute. It was like we was just chilling together. You saw a few things that I'm packing. Don't forget to check out my TikTok. don't miss any of that content, and my Instagram as well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.